I'm gonna share something with you which you probably will not like hearing. Your UGC probably sucks. Every day I see brands that are burning thousands upon thousands of dollars, spending money on creators or actors on platforms like Billow and Incense, creating supposedly authentic content that looks anything but authentic. So this video is for you if you're hiring these actors or creators off of these platforms and make a fake looking but authentic, supposedly authentic video. I have news for you. Does not work, does not look authentic. But in this video, I'm gonna share how to generate true authentic UGC for your brand by working with actual real influencers who know how to appeal to an audience and who actually care about your product. Who am I? I'm Yash Chavan. I'm the founder and CEO of SARAL. And in this video, I'm gonna break down the exact steps you need to follow to get true authentic influencer generated content. So I've made a huge accusation, right? I've literally gone out and attacked the darling of the Facebook ads influencer marketing world, which is UGC, right? So why do I say that your UGC sucks? Let me explain. UGC in itself, the idea of UGC is great. It's user generated content. It means that an actual real user of your product creates content about it, vouches for your product, gives you a great testimonial, and then you use that for your ads, which gets you more conversions. That makes a lot of sense. But the way UGC is done today is it's not actually UGC, it is what I call AGC. It is actor generated content. It is you paying these actors on these platforms. You pay them money, send them a free product, and you send them a script. You ask them to just parrot those talking points. That most often than not, consumers can see through. They can see that it's an actor. It's not really real content. It's something that it reads like a talking point. It's basically literally the same fucking thing that your actual static ads say. So there's nothing really different about it, except it's just some creator promoting it. That does not work. That looks fake. That kills your brand's reputation and reduces trust in your brand because it's an actor promoting it. It is staged and it is scripted. Second thing, these creators are not influencers in most cases. They are creators whose entire job is to sign up for these platforms and make videos like these for dozens and dozens of brands every month. So one, they don't have actual time. Even if they wanted to authentically actually try your product and actually vouch for it, they can't because they're on a schedule. They have another dozen contracts that they need to fulfill. They just get the content, they get the script, they get the product, read it, and they're done. Edit it, they send you the video, and that's it. They literally do not have time to actually try it. Next, these people are not influencers. They're creators, which is fine, but they very likely do not know what actually resonates with an audience. They've never built an audience. They've never created content. They've never studied the market to give it what it wants. You've seen UGC creators that promote makeup brands, that promote fitness brands, that promote vegan brands, that promote carnivore brands. It's the same exact creator. So they don't have any semblance of what will resonate with a certain audience group because they're actors, right? Actors, just like in the movies, for instance, the same actor can play a villain, the same actor can play a hero, the same actor can play different types of characters. That's fine because they are actors and we look at them as actors and we understand what's going on. But if you hire actors to promote your product, the same people are also promoting other products which are maybe antithetical to your premise, to your values, and that is not ideal. So those are some of the core reasons why I think UGC or AGC does not really work. So what does work, right? What do I propose as the alternative? So the alternative that I propose is IGC, or influencer generated content. Now, UGC in itself is great if you're getting your actual real non-influencer customers to promote you. Great, get that content, use it, that's fine. It's hard to actually get normal, non-social media savvy human beings to make good content for you, right? So what do? You scale it by using influencer generated content and you get the best of both worlds, right? So how is it different? How is IGC different from AGC? IGC is influencers that you have a relationship with. You send them a product and you only get them to make content if they like it and if they see results from it. I'm going to get to exact steps you need to execute to get to this point. But influencers that are actual true influencers and not actors on a platform who have an audience, you build a relationship with them so that they can try your product and they only vouch for it if they like it. That is kind of the core of influencer generated content. It gets you more authentic, story oriented content. A lot of influencers already know what resonates with a certain type of audience. They already know what works on social, what does not, what might go viral, what will not. They understand it beyond just the surface level tactics of making trendy videos. They have very authentic stories to tell and that resonates with people. You get built-in reach. When you hire creators off of platforms, they don't post on their accounts, which means you only get the video asset. With influencer generated content, content, very likely they're gonna post about it on their social media, which already may have 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 followers, which means you get built-in reach with that content. You get to test if it actually works on an organic audience, and then you can put ad dollars behind it to amplify it more and more. This is exactly how brands like Lululemon, Gymshark, Sephora, all the biggies, we've broken down some of them on the channel. I'll leave links somewhere here. All of them use influencer generated content, right? So I hope I've made the case for why actor generated content sucks and why you need to focus on getting influencers to make true authentic content for your brand. But right now the question in your head may be like, here's what most founders ask me when I make this point. They're like, how do I actually do this? How do we implement this? It's very easy for me to go on a platform or go on Upwork and just post an ad and get people to make content for me. How do we actually execute a system that gets us influencer generated content? So here I am, your savior, influencer marketing messiah. I have 5 steps to share, right? Step number 1, to get IGC. Find the right influencers. Again, the goal is to not find typical UGC creators, but actual real influencers in your space. So for instance, if you're a sustainable skincare brand, find influencers who talk about sustainability and skincare. You can do this on SARAL. You just search for both those keywords and it'll show you here are all the people who talk about sustainability and also talk about their skincare routine. You can do like a multi-keyword search, gives you search results, right? Find the right authentic influencers who actually resonate with your brand values. Second, create an irresistible offer. UGC should be part of what you get out of creators. There should be a lot more that you offer. I've made more detailed videos about creating a compelling creator offer, but in this case, you would probably have an offer which includes some sort of affiliate commissions if they post, some sort of a discount for their fans, and a free product. But basically, now you have your offer, you have your right set of influencers, you have a compelling offer for them. Now it's very obvious, you reach out to them. Basically, summary, keep it short, keep it interesting, add your offer in there, have a soft call to action. Say something like, hey, I'd love to send you a free product. If you like it, we can work together. If you don't, we don't have to, right? Creators like it when you're not force selling your product to them, or just basically saying, hey, I want to send you a free product. If you like it, we can work together. Automate all of this using SARAL, and you can scale outreach to hundreds of creators every week. Next, you gotta ship products and make that shipping and unboxing experience very exclusive. I never said this is going to be easy, right? But it's going to actually work. Have a shipping experience that really blows them away. Whatever you have to do to impress creators, do that, because creators get a lot of packages from a lot of brands. You have to stand out. Once you do that, if you've done everything right, they're naturally just going to post about you. If not, you can always obviously follow up and make them post about, right? Also mention the affiliate commissions so that they know that, hey, they get to make money if they post about you. If they do, and if you like the content, then you can pick and choose which creator you want to ask usage rights for. Again, if you're using SARAL, you will get all of the content inside of our social listening tool, so you can just see who's posted and preview the content directly inside of SARAL, so you don't have to like scroll on Instagram or TikTok to view the content. Once you do that, you can just request usage right for the content that you like, pay the influencers if you want or not, or reward them with a free product. All of that is possible again within SARAL, completely custom to however you want to do it, so you don't even have to spend money on getting UGC, which is great because you're putting in all the hard work up front, and then now your engine is running, right? So now you've asked for usage rights, you get the content, and that's it. So you've gotten the content, you've acquired true authentic UGC, which you can then hand off to your paid ads team so that they can start running ads and put ad dollars behind this content, right? That was the system. Find the right creators, make sure you have a compelling offer, reach out to them with a short, concise message, automate some follow-ups inside of SARAL, make the shipping experience really compelling, and finally ask for usage rights and get the content so you can start promoting it using your ad campaigns. Those are the 5 steps, and maybe I'll leave you with a bonus. Build authentic relationships. Again, your goal should not stop at just getting the first piece of UGC content, because you remember we did all this work, all of this finding, reaching out, creating an offer, blah blah. They post for the first time and then we get the content, and then doesn't make sense to stop. Send them another product, hop on a quick FaceTime with them. Whatever you can do to foster the community of your really good creators, do that. Build really authentic relationships, and after a point, after 3 to 6 months of building this, some of our brands just have a community of 50 people that just love them, that are brand aligned, that already know what the brand stands for, that already know the audience of the brand, and anytime they need UGC, they can just send a quick message on the group and get tons of UGC instantly. If you want to see how SARAL works, I'll leave a link to speak with my sales team in the description. They will understand your needs. We do not hard sell anybody. If you're not a fit, we'll just tell you you're not a fit. But if you are, we're happy to give you a free trial of the platform so you can check it out and start getting UGC for your brand. I hope this video was useful, and until next time, see you.